Next up is the gold ring. I think going back to the sapphire ring for 1 second, if you look at the supply, I think the sapphire ring, the numbers that hit Path of Exile 2 trade is significant. So there's quite a high number of people putting sapphire rings up for sale. If you look at the gold ring, people putting up gold rings on Path of Exile 2 trade is significantly lower than the sapphire ring. I think they're also cheaper. When you look at the exalted orbs, basically the average price for a gold ring is 23.5 exalted orbs, with the highest offer being 250, which is obviously quite exceptional, and the lowest one being 1. Looking at the divines, as you can see, the average for a gold ring is around 1. So that's, I think, a pretty good price for a gold ring. The highest price put on is 4 divine orbs. The lowest one is 1. So let's have a look at the sample size to understand how that looks. So as you can see from an exalted orb perspective, there is only 2 or 3, if you count 100 exalted orbs, outliers that are really outside of the range. Right? I think those are more exceptional than common. There's obviously a couple of offers of 50, 40, but those are not the trend, right? You see quite a lot of green, quite a lot of 10s actually. So if you want to go exalted and sell your gold ring for an exalted orb, you're probably safe going somewhere between 10 and 20. Again, if you want to sell quickly, you can obviously go lower and see if you're lucky and sell either your ring or your rings quickly. I think if you put your gold ring up for a divine, you want to put it up for 1 divine. Anything higher, you're clearly in the minority and you probably get skipped. Right? Seeing the supply of gold rings for 1 divine orb is significant. You know, that's probably where you want to be. Okay, that's it for the gold ring. Let's jump to the next one.